Hello. Good evening, everyone, or afternoon for those who are watching me from abroad. Well, we need to discuss this China FUD because it is coming in our way. In the meantime, please let me know if you can hear me, if you can see me. Is the audio okay? Is the picture lagging? I want to know if you can see me properly and you can hear me properly. So I'm gonna wait for the comments because there is I think a 20 seconds lag between what I'm saying and what you see. So yeah, please just write in the comments if you can hear me, you can see me. Here on the stream it says that everything should be okay. It says excellent connection. If thank you Radu for the feedback. Okay, so what happened today? Well, Bitcoin took a dive, 12%, 10, something like that. Let's measure it again. I just have to move my laptop a bit. So we had this 10% dive, and apparently it's because China. I just figured that you can't see my screen. Sorry. Yeah, it's good to see you as well. Just 1 second, I need to make my face smaller because I start to show you here a couple of things on the charts and you can't even see it. It would have been funny if I don't notice it and talk for like half an hour. Okay, so we had a 10% dive because China's central bank said. So I saw somebody commented that that it's gonna be illegal and people are gonna be prosecuted if they use transactions audio 9, video 9. Yeah, so this is all I can right now. The new studio is in the works. I will have proper camera, microphone. Right now I'm using my laptop's webcam and this microphone. I know it's not the best for live streaming, but if it's let's say if you can just hear me and see me, then then I'm happy for now, and I promise that it will improve. So what is going on must be important. Yes, it's important. I just wanted to talk about this China FUD. So somebody commented that now they said that people who use cryptocurrency will be prosecuted, or I don't know, they will face jail time and stuff like that. So what happened is that China's central bank, it's the bank of people of China, they said that cryptocurrency transactions are illegal. In the meantime, I'll just bring this a bit closer. So are illegal, and all the transactions should be banned. But this is not new. I mean, I think they already stopped or banned the transactions in 2013, but at least at 2017. So nobody can use cryptocurrency to buy stuff. Okay, you can't go and buy a coffee, or you can't pay for your holiday on Travala with cryptocurrency if you are going inland China. If you don't go inland China, then probably you can. I don't know. I've been in China once, and it was kind of, I had mixed feelings. A bit surreal, but very modern. So yeah, the city was very, very new. Everything was brand new. But on the highway there were like every 100 meters video cameras, and they were just making pictures, flashing, while you were driving. I mean, I wasn't driving because you can drive with European license, but while you were driving, the flashes were just coming into your eyes. So very. So Yonuts asked why the the Bank of China is writing in English, whether Chinese don't understand Chinese. Yeah, that's a very good question. That is actually a very interesting question, because if you think about this in not too much details, then it should be targeted only to Chinese people, and we don't even need to know about this, because who cares, right? If you are not living in China, then yeah, you shouldn't care. And if you live in a country, then you should at least understand the language, right? I mean, otherwise, yeah, you need to do that. So nevertheless, they said that it is illegal, and somebody understood about that people will be prosecuted. So I went through a couple of articles, about what they wrote, and it's the same. So Cointelegraph, after like half a day, they also wrote about it. They are a bit lagging. So they said that it will be a joint forces. It's right here, with the cybersecurity and management departments, and yeah, everybody will be there who is paid for something. Yeah, no worries, units. But yeah. So people try to write in English, so everybody would understand your comments. But if you I don't know, if you don't like to write in English, or if you if you have a question but don't know how to write it, yeah, you can write it in Romanian. You can also write it in Hungarian. Well, with the German, that's not sure I will understand it, but I will try to translate it. If you write something like very, very simple, yeah, you know, very domestic, then I might understand it. But yeah, let's keep it in English, Romanian, Hungarian. Okay, I know these three languages, but if it's possible, let's keep the comments in English, so everybody can understand. So here they said that there will be joint forces, that they will just crack down on Bitcoin. It's something exactly the same what we already saw. I don't know, we saw it like 3 times only this year. Yeah, don't write in Chinese. I mean, I think you will only talk to your to yourself. Maybe you can also answer the questions if you write in Chinese. I don't speak Chinese. I think it's very far away from me. So it will be a joint forces. Everybody will be working on how to crack down on crypto, how to stop it, and yeah, how to stop the people from using it, because they say it's very, very, how should I say, it's dangerous for the people. It's because of the illicit activities, meaning a lot of crimes are going on. But yeah, I don't understand why they don't just think about cash, right? I mean, don't they use cash, you know, before crypto? It was like 10 years ago. Doesn't matter. I'm not gonna go into that. So the funny thing is, for me, which is strange, obviously, why they write it in English and not in Chinese, it's a very good question. That's something to add. So it's obviously they are targeting people from outside of China. They have a lot of control on China. They can do anything they want in China, and they can ban anything from the people, because yeah, it's communism. Okay, it's not like here, for example, that they make a bill and then they ask the people, maybe people can vote what to do, how to do it, and then after 1 or 2 years they will make a I don't know, a regulation. If they don't like something, they just ban it. As you could see, they banned mining in no time. Probably somebody up there already made their maybe, I don't know, the big money, and they said, okay, now we will protect the people. I have my profits, I took it, I listened to all the YouTubers who said they take profits. I'm okay now, I bought the mansion, now we can ban crypto, so everybody would be safe. Okay, so I read other articles as well, and everybody is just saying the same. It's all about only the bank, it's not the authorities. They are not gonna go after people, as we know, okay, so only considering what I found on these articles. Therefore, it begs the question, why this? Okay, why this? Why this happened? Why people sold? And I just want to highlight here that it's not only the people, because they said that when Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla is not gonna accept Bitcoin, everybody panicked. It's not just about that. So there is a lot of robot trading, you know, when they sell and buy based on the indicators and based on the trends. And there is also algorithm which buys and sells based on the news. It's monitoring Twitter. Therefore, if the robo traders, these artificial intelligence, starts to sell because some negative FUD came out, people will only see the red candle. So the people who are undecided about whether they want to keep it or to hold it or to sell it or what to do, or they're very new, they only see that somebody started to sell, and they also start to sell because they will say, okay, I mean minus 20%, yeah, I will sell it. I can take this take this loss and never crypto again, never again. And when it picks up, they will buy again. Okay, let's in the meantime, I know that I should read some of the questions. If they will not be able to use it, does that also mean that all the crypto owned by Chinese people will be blocked as they can't exchange it, right? Yeah, well, that's another very good question. If it's going to be blocked, then we can say they will become long-time holders, which is only good for us, obviously. But I don't think. I think in China, those who own Bitcoin or crypto, and let's say that they have a lot of it, I am 100% sure they will find a solution to cash it out. I mean, let's say if I would be in China and I couldn't get out because I'm Chinese and I can't leave the country, but they can, but let's say they can't, then I think I would just put everything on my hard wallet and I will send it out. Even better, I would send a message with my seed phrase to one of my friends. And I would tell him, cash it out. 20% is yours, rest is mine. And that's all. Patience, people, we have another 3 months till the fat lady will sing. Yes, we are. I am also hoping that we still have the 3 months. So September was when Lord Nelson gets his eye back. When Dex, well, we will talk about Dex as well. Okay, we will talk about Dex as well. So let's just finish this thought about the Chinese stuff. So those who have Bitcoin, who have crypto in China, I don't think that it's gonna be blocked. Probably they can't cash it out because banks, they don't really accept crypto anymore. But I'm sure that there is solution for everything. Even considering that it is communism, it's not that hard communism. Therefore, yeah, I don't think that they will be long-time holders like for forever, like Satoshi. But yeah, I'm 100% sure that these type of things surprise them as well. Just 1 second, because YouTube tells me that. Okay, let me know if you can't hear me or something, because the signal might not be the best. Oh, okay, can you please comment if you can still see me? I don't think the China news had much influence on Bitcoin. Yes, that is the other thing. So in the meantime, I'm gonna continue talking, and if you can't see me, if it's buffering, if it's lagging, just let me know in the comments, please. So it is okay. Okay, so it was also on the second thing, which probably more important than the China FUD. I mean, on the technical stuff, because yes, the volume was depleting, and the Elliott waves suggested. I am not a professional Elliott wave trader. I'm just following people who use it. That yeah, a correction is imminent. A correction should come because people are not buying. Everybody was waiting Bitcoin to go up. So if crypto will be banned, what will happen with BNB? It is their coin, no? Well, that's a good question, but I think Binance is a bit lagging sometimes. Yeah, I don't know. It's probably my internet. So when it's unbearable, just yeah, let me know and we will stop. So I don't know about I don't know what will happen with BNB, but I think Binance is pretty international already. I mean, there is Binance US, and I can see it's lagging. Yeah, sorry guys. Okay, we will have to wait. Now it's lagging. Okay, I will try to restart it. Let's see if I refresh it. Okay, now it seems better. Can you write me something in the comments to find out if it's okay or not? And as you also said, at one point the government's fear crypto must solution because it will be harder for them to cash in the taxes. So in my opinion, China's solution to this was to ban it. It is okay now. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, so the Elliott wave, and after that the tax. With the Elliott waves, yes, the Elliott waves already suggested that a correction should be imminent, and yeah, volume was depleting. Therefore, yeah, I wasn't surprised. On the other hand, regarding the crypto with China and taxes, I don't know if it's about the taxes, because as soon as any government, I don't know, initiates or creates a blockchain department, let's say a department which controls the blockchain and people who are trading crypto, I think they will be able to check us. They will be able to check everybody, because what happens on the blockchain will stay on the blockchain, and they can go back to 5 years and check whether you paid your taxes or not. Did you make a profit or not? And obviously it will be a very, very big work for the government, but it's their problem that they didn't start in time, because they were thinking it's stupid and it's not gonna survive, and now everybody is fighting against. But crypto seems to be here to stay. So they can do this easier than US. Is it communism? If the state wants, the state does. Yes, that's I totally agree with it. That's why I also said that it's not really democratic. It's not like here they are Chinese, they are communism. When they decide on something, that's all. It's not gonna be there won't be any decisions or votes or asking the public what they want, or be empathic to the people who are trading and maybe they want to hold it more. They will just make a law out of it and they ban it. But I think they don't need to involve authorities if they just don't accept it, and nobody can transaction. I mean, not transaction, but use it or cash it out. They cripple it already enough. So yeah, it's a bit harder there than here. Okay. Scruffy said that with authoritarianism on the rise throughout the West, it's only a matter of time before the West attacks crypto far more directly and aggressively. Yes, well, it is. It is a matter of time. It is a matter of time. The only hope I have, that taking in consideration how fast they are moving, and how fast, how big problems they have with the wars, with the, I don't know, with the debt, with the industrial spyings, with the voting, because remember that every party is on the power for 4 years. So the SEC, as you could see, after Biden was elected, we have new SEC chief, new Fed chief. People change, you know, and my only hope is that we will reach a point where somebody will get there who understands and maybe has crypto and will just let it a bit go. Don't get me wrong, I don't want it unregulated. I want it to be regulated, because that's how it will, how should I say it? Yeah, it will get more mainstream. That's how more and more people will get into crypto and buy crypto. But yeah, we don't. The problem is that every state wants to make digital currency, their own digital currency. But if crypto will be very, very mainstream, and people will use crypto as, I don't know, daily transactions, as legal tender, then the digital currency will have no value, because when a currency is on the market and there is no demand, only supply, well, yeah, we know what happens to the value of it. Okay, Lonnie Andreas Balaban, I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name. I bought Elrond when it was 110. Should I sell now or keep it and wait? Well, I cannot give you a financial advice. I can only tell you what I'm doing. I bought Elrond at 30 and 60, and I'm keeping it for a long time, because with Elrond and with Max I will create for myself in 3, 4, 5 years a passive income, and I don't think that I will sell any of it. If it jumps to, I don't know, to 50 in 2 months, then I will sell some and buy it back when it drops back, because that would mean a very, very big correction from the 50,000. Therefore, yeah, you understand. In extreme situations, we make extreme decisions, but with my plan with Elrond is to create a passive income in a couple of years. Therefore, yeah, I will just hold it. If you want to sell it, yeah, it's your decision. Is it time to move all your coins on the Ledger Nano SX? Well, it's always time. I mean, Maiar seems pretty safe. Elrond wallet seems pretty safe. What I don't like is keeping coins on Binance. And if you have, I don't know, a bigger batch of coins, you have, I don't know, Matic, for example. Okay, let's not talk only about Elrond. If you have Matic or Cardano or Solana, and I don't know, you have invested a sum of money which for you is important, and you want to hold it for a longer time, you don't want to sell it, I don't know, maybe in 2 weeks or 2 months, even if it's in 2 months. So if you don't want to sell it in 2 weeks, then I would recommend it to send it to your hard wallet, because as you can see, MetaMask was hacked, Solana network was hacked, Matic network was hacked. We couldn't hear anything about Binance hacks. Maybe that's not too bad, but yeah, the only thing is you can't sell it very fast. I mean, you cannot click just sell market. You have to send it, and if it's in a crazy rally, then usually exchanges yeah, they just lag, and it's just too much users and the servers are blocked. But on Ledger Live, because with Ledger you also have a software on your PC, you can swap any coins to USDT, as far as I remember. So that could be one of the solutions if you plan to swap it to USDT after a big rally. Okay, so the banks will have the main problems with crypto because they will lose commission. Yes, they will lose commission, and as you can see, Western Union already is losing a lot of money since El Salvador adopted Bitcoin. And yes, Bitcoin is still volatile, but if somebody who knows about crypto, then yeah, they will know how to use it and not to panic when it drops a bit. Whenever you say banks, you say government. They can't work one without the other, hence the reason they are always bailed out. Yes, that is sorry guys. That is true, Felix, or Radu, I'm not sure how to call you. So yeah, we can say banks, we can say governments, we are saying the same thing. Banks are always bailed out by the governments, and that is a bit awful because banks usually cause market crashes. So yeah, that's true. Banks, governments in the same head. Okay, let's see some price analysis where we are. So if we say that we found the bottom, which I'm not entirely sure about, because usually we can see a bigger rally up when it drops more. 10% these days after May and June, yeah, it's just 10% is not a big crash, sorry. Okay, how long it will take in your opinion, Bula? So, hi Justin, yeah, thanks for the tip. Okay, if they are going to drop the requirement from 1000 Elrond, well, I don't know, and I am not 100% sure that it's in their interest. I have limited knowledge about program development, but as far as I know, if their system works and they don't need more validators, then there is yeah, it's not in their interest, because everybody will just gather and hodl more and more Elrond to become a node validator. So I'm not 100% sure that it's gonna happen. Divixman had an interview with Sever Moldovan, yes, he's a project manager at Elrond, and he said that you can be a validator if you want with your PC, but if you don't have the 1000 Elrond, then you will not get any reward. So yeah, I don't think they will drop it. So the one thing I hate about Elrond is the 10-day waiting time. Why 10 days? Why can't we pay a small fee to unlock it early? Yeah, watch the video, the interview with Sever Moldovan, and he will explain it there. But in short, how should I say? You should pay the fee. You should pay the fee for the last 10 days, right? I mean, if you want to unstake your Elrond now, then you should need to pay back the last 10 days reward. I mean, that's something I would see implementing, but it would be a lot of pump and dump. So maybe not a lot, but right now with the 10 days waiting time, it surely gives you a very big thinking, let's say, timeline, or you have 10 days to think twice if you want to unstake it or not, because you will not click unstake when Elrond drops 20%, because you know, or 50, because you know that in 10 days it could be back or even lower, and if you unstake it, then you will lose your rewards. So it's a very interesting question, but there is, as I said, as he said in the interview, I don't think that they will exchange these 10 days for any, let's say, fee to unstake it instantly. Yeah, so I hope I answered both of the questions. So yeah, let's get back to the chart. So right now, yeah, we are at the 42,000 something. So is it the bottom or is it not the bottom? I'm not sure, to be honest, but we are at the 24th of September, and usually until at least the 26th the price is dropping. I think you remember I told you many times in my videos, because I'm keeping this statistics, which I don't have it open because I'm from my laptop, but maybe I will show it next time. Every day I wake up and I write down all the prices I have, my portfolio. But my portfolio is not only that I have this much in crypto. I have diversified that, and I have stocks, and I trade indexes as well. I have on Trading 212 long-time investments. I have on eToro index trading or leveraging, and also I have a copy trader. I'm copying somebody in crypto, but I'm gonna stop copying him because it's just a straight line for 7 months or even more, maybe 1 year, and he's in a constant minus 5%, and it's just, yeah, it's annoying. So I'm gonna stop copying him. I have my Binance portfolio, which I trade with. I have the Elrond wallet, obviously. I have the Bitcoin and Ethereum in a separate wallet. I have the small coins, which I show you from time to time on Uniswap. Those are also on hard wallet. So that's how I start my day. I write down everything, and I have a graph with my profit, whether how much is the profit, and how much is the change from day to day in percentage. And from that change from day to day, I made another graph, which is a bar, and it's a simple if formula in Excel that gives me an average plus or minus in percentage for each day, and of course for each month. So that is the experience from that until the 26th usually prices are dropping, as we could see. Because if I check it right now here, let's see, I'll just get my brush here. So this is the 16th of September, mid of the month, and right now we are on the 26th. Now if I would go back, let's just check again. But yeah, right now here we had 14, 19, 1st of September, so August was pretty good. If we would go back, way back, I could show you on my other chart that this middle of the month is usually a sideways or dropping, but in this time right now, as September is notoriously a red month for crypto, yeah, we could see that. So I hope that now people will buy in. I also wanted to show you that, as you can as you can see here, we have a very big support on the 40,000. So I don't expect Bitcoin to drop down, maybe to the 38, I don't know, but it would be very strange if Bitcoin dropped down below the 38,000. Some Elliott wave traders say that it can also go down to 20 or to 10. Yeah, it's all probabilities. But I think in the next 3 months, 2 months, we will have some interesting time. I hope that we will have a run, but I also want to highlight that be careful. I can see it's lagging again. But be careful and take profits, because otherwise, as the money came, it will go. Something like in May, what happened in May exactly. Okay, regarding the Maiar DEX, okay, hope that everyone is still. It's just annoying how much it's lagging, so I'm gonna cut it short. I just wanted to talk about the Maiar DEX. Hope that everyone is farming here and providing liquidity and harvesting and reinvesting and everything. So as I promised, I will make some videos about the strategies. The last strategy which I showed you in my video, those were from the palm tree. So we have a couple of strategies here. I will review all of them. Maybe I will create a post on YouTube with a poll, a voting system or something, and you can vote which one should be first or which one you would be most interested, because with some strategies you can have more max or create more max. With other strategies you will have more Elrond. With others you will just fatten your locked max portfolio. So we will go through that, and then after you voted, I will make all the videos step by step, just to show you how to set up the Maiar decks as certain strategies suggest. Okay, now I'm watching, it's still poor. Okay, my internet is very bad. So is it safe to stake Elrond in Elrond wallet, and what is your price prediction for Elrond? Yeah, Felix, Bradu, that can also people cash out, but I think we are at a point where we will need some institutional money as well. Maybe retail won't be available for some time with this fourth wave of corona, what they are saying and stuff like that. So people might be still scared. I don't know. It's gonna be very interesting to see what will happen, but on-chain data suggests that everyone is buying. So yeah, I will bring back myself and I will try to answer your question. So is it safe to stake Elrond in Elrond wallet, and what is your price prediction for Elrond? Yes, it is safe. I think it's the safest to stake it with Elrond wallet. I think you mean delegated. My price prediction for Elrond, I think that is the $1 million question, because I don't know, I just can't know. I'm hoping for Bitcoin to reach the 100k, and if Bitcoin reaches the 100k, I think Elrond will go above 500. So my bet is between 700 and 1000 for this bull run. After that it will come back. So yeah, that is my guess, but it is only a guess. Steven, do you think Ethereum will pump hard the closer we get to the Ethereum 2? I think yes. So Ethereum is a bit forgotten, I think, and since we had a lot of news around May and April and June, there was the Berlin hard fork and London hard fork, and right now everything is calm about Ethereum. So Ethereum is just following Bitcoin, but many people are still Ethereum maxes, and I think that Ethereum will pump very hard. I am hoping Ethereum to reach the 10,000, 15,000 by the end of the year, if the bull run is coming, and if we will have a pretty big bull run. And by the way, Steven, since you comment on my every video, and I saw that you comment that you asked me about that you have 2 or 3 Ethereum staked, and if you can retire in 4 years or 5. So I'm gonna make a calculation for you, which I'm gonna show it in one of my videos next week, where we will calculate Ethereum based on the price and the staking percentage, the rewards you get. Let's see how much money you will gather in 5 years. Elrond will surpass the all-time high in the next months, and for sure it will get the price above 400. Yes, I think 400 is pretty near. I think we need only one more bigger pump, and we will get to the 400. Well, 700 will be a bit more difficult, but yeah, it only depends on Bitcoin, and it also depends how fast Bitcoin goes up, because we also need Bitcoin to go up and stay there. Because if Bitcoin goes up in 1 week and comes down in the next week, then altcoins won't have much chance to pump. So I hope that Bitcoin will go up to the 100 gradually. In the meantime, altcoins will pump